In this screencast, you'll learn about Sourcegraph Code Intelligence and how to have it automatically enabled for new users. Code Intelligence is made possible by Sourcegraph extensions. These extensions extend the functionality of the code view. Let's filter by programming languages, and Basic Code Intel is the extension we want to have enabled. We don't want to enable it here though, as that would only enable it for this user. So let's head to the site admin, go to Global Settings, and here we'll enter configuration data about the extensions. The key is going to be the extension ID, while the value is whether to enable the extension or not. Let's save this. And if we head back to the extension registry, we'll see that Basic Code Intel is now enabled. The next step is to look at some code and see how it goes. So we've got definitions, offer tooltips, and we can find references.